You know, upon any given day, there are many, and I mean many, intelligent people who utilize the internet and their computers. And I'm just going to presuppose that you are one of these intelligent people. Welcome on board, intelligent person. The question of the moment is reality. The reality of it. What is it? How can we tell what is real and what is not real? Is everything we see real? Well, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe our mind's eye is fooling us. That's a lot of people are in that position today. They think something is real because they believe it to be real, whether or not they experience the physical sighting of it or not. Most people today want to be acceptable. They want to fit in. They want to be one of the guys, one of the gals. And so, if enough people say that something is real, well, they're likely to go along with that notion. Something is real indeed. Why? Because so many people believe that it's real. The reality of it. How about AI? Yeah, there's an interesting conundrum. Is AI real? Well, it depends what you're asking of it. The better question would be, is that machine sentient? In other words, is it aware of itself? And is it plugged into its surroundings from microsecond to microsecond? And how can you tell if that is true or not? Well, there's a test that you can perform with programs and machines to determine what is sentient and what isn't. It's called the Turing test. And the interesting thing is that science says we're coming ever closer to the time when AI is going to be sentient. In other words, it's going to be able to form and create new thought. It's going to be aware of itself and its surroundings. And that time is just around the corner. You know, there's an old saying that says, be careful what you wish for. Yeah. Suppose, just for example, suppose you got a robot in your home, and one day that robot becomes sentient. Now, the robot is already smarter when it comes to details and data than are you. But now it's aware of that fact. It's also aware of the fact that you are just a whole lot dumber than it is. Is it still going to acquiesce to your requests? Or is it going to introduce thoughts of its own on any particular quest that you might issue it? Interesting conundrum, huh? In other words, maybe you're going to be rubbing shoulders with something that not only is smarter than you are, but you are not going to be able to control it. Again, we come full circle back to that old saying, be careful what you wish for. Here's a wish I wish for everyone, is that everyone who hears this, is listening to this right now, is going to accept and believe that Jesus Christ is their Lord and Savior. They're going to become one of Jesus Christ's own before it's too late. They're not going to stand outside of Jesus Christ any longer, because they're beginning to see the handwriting on the wall. And the handwriting on the wall says, something wicked this way comes, and it is sentient. While you still can, while there's still time enough left for you to do this, accept and believe that Jesus Christ is your Lord and Savior. Become one of Jesus Christ's own while you still can. And don't put this off, because tomorrow is not guaranteed to anyone. Until next time, this is Stephen. Talk to you when the wind shifts. See ya. Bye.